guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is you guys to make Espresso Martini. You guys put in it Kahlúa, coffee liqueur, vodka, 1 shot of your espresso, a shaker and a strainer, and some ice. Alright, let's get started. First, grab your shaker, take your shot of espresso into your shaker, 2 shots of your vodka, and 1 shot of your coffee liqueur. Then you add your ice. And give it a hard shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. There we go. Then you fine strain it through your strainer into your preferred glass. And then for decoration, some cinnamon on the top. There you guys have it, the Espresso Martini. Come back tomorrow for another tutorial.